friends. So today I thought maybe together we could draw a turkey. All right, since we're getting ready for Thanksgiving, Turkey Day, a day where we can eat lots of turkey. So to draw a turkey, I'm going to start by tracing my hand. I'm going to use the color brown. You can have a grown-up help you for this part, for tracing your hand. So put your hand on paper and just have a grown-up trace your hand just like this. Okay, I'm going to get all my fingers in there. Like this. All right, and even my thumb. Okay. And then I'm just going to close this up like this. There we go. Okay, this is going to be my turkey's body. So first I'll start by giving my turkey an eye. Just like this. There we go. All right, then I'm going to give him a little beak. So he can say gobble, gobble. There we go. Then I'm going to give my turkey a little wattle. So a wattle is this big red piece of skin that just like hangs from a turkey's chin. Here we go. Kind of looks like this. There we go. Okay. Next, I'm going to give my turkey some little legs. All right. So I'm just going to make two lines like this and then just some little turkey feet. Like that. And then really the rest is up to you. You could color your turkey in just brown, make him a brown turkey, or you could make him a rainbow turkey, or you could use your favorite colors on this turkey to make him look however you want. So sometimes people like to color like the fingers. This is going to be his feathers. So maybe I'll give him some colorful feathers. Maybe I'll give him a purple feather. Maybe I'll give him a green feather. This part is totally up to you, friends. Make your turkey however you want. There we go. Looks like my green's running out a little bit. There we go. Maybe some blue. Ooh. There we go. Maybe we could do some more orange. Or maybe for this feather, maybe I'll even go crazy. I'll do like some stripes with like different colors. I mean, this is your turkey. Make it however you want. You don't have to do what I'm doing. There's so many different colors you can use or different designs. You could have a polka dot turkey if you want. Your turkey could have polka dots or stars or stripes or hearts. Anything. There we go. Maybe, I didn't really use any yellow yet. There's a little yellow. There you go. Now the rest of the turkey's body is up to you too. Maybe you want to decorate it. Maybe you want to draw something on it. Like, I don't know, maybe a heart or something. My turkey might be a love turkey. Or maybe you want to do some designs, like some dots. Or some, I don't know, maybe squiggle lines. This is like a party turkey. How's that? You can make your turkey however you want. And when you're done, I would love to see your name on your turkey. I'll write mine on the top, nice and big. Mrs. Lane Go Me. There you go. Now that is one crazy, crazy turkey. Maybe on the bottom, just for memories, so I can save this, I might write what I'm thankful for. So I'm going to write, I am thankful for, and a grown-up can definitely help you with this part. I am thankful for, I'm going to write my family, because that's the number one thing I'm thankful for. My family. There we go. Awesome. I love how mine came out, and I can't wait to see how yours comes out too. Send me a picture. See you later, friends.